Taking this across to Akshaya, she's joining us live from the Omandarur Hospital. Akshaya, that's where the Health Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, has currently reached from the Rajiv Gandhi Hospital. He's now at the second hospital to take a sense of the kind of preparations. What do you see around you? Has the dry run begun?
Well, Akshita, at the Omandarur Government Hospital, the dry run has already begun, and it's a very interesting sight what we can see here. We are in between where a yoga session is going on for all the post-COVID patients. This is the exercise that the state government has been following ever since the pandemic had struck Tamil Nadu and the country. We're seeing that necessary steps are being given post and pre-COVID treatments. And here, very interesting, Golu kind of a setup is also kept. As you are from Tamil Nadu, Akshita, you'll know what the Golu is. It's a celebration of an event by displaying things which are very important. So in this Golu, what we can see here is initially they've spoken about how the world need a mask, face mask, and how to wear it, the right way of wearing it, how to do a hand wash, and the procedure that needs to be done for hand washing. And similarly, they've also displayed how the efforts of the state government have been for the COVID care centers and also the exclusive hospitals which have been prepared for that. And the various steps, the dietary that is needed, all these things are displayed here, Akshita. And the Union Health Minister is currently observing the kind of steps that have been taken by the government hospital here for the vaccination dry run that is going on. There is an observer, there is a benefactor also waiting inside, and we can see that the entire process is being well monitored. And this dry run, as the Union Minister had said, is done to ensure that all the steps are taken and all the to-go events are prepared on the day of the vaccination. These are to ensure that all the officials who are involved in this process have clear details on what needs to be done when the actual vaccination happens. So here at Omandarur, once again, we're seeing that all the preparations are well done. The officials, there are doctors who are standing on standby, and each process will be done as per the guidelines given by the Union government. And the Health Minister is here for the entire day. From here, he will be going to the Apollo Hospital, which is a private facility where this vaccination will be done, and that is in Poonamalli, where again our team will be present and giving you the complete coverage of. But interestingly, we can also give you a glimpse of what are the steps that are there in the entire scenario. So starting from the registration desk and vaccination site, we come to the laboratory where the vaccination will be conducted. You can see how the medicine, the vaccines are stored and what kind of process is going on for that. There are also standby officials and medical professionals here. And secondly, then they will be having the observation rooms. This is the room where all those patients who will be coming for the test will be made to sit. And this was the very room where Dr. Harshvardhan was also monitoring. So, we're seeing that thorough steps have been taken. The main effort is to ensure that the pandemic is stopped and that normalcy returns in the country. And currently, once again, we can see that the Health Minister is in talk with all the officials who are here, also the benefactors here, and along with the Health Minister is the State Health Minister and Health Secretary as well. So Akshita, the entire dry run process is going on, and one is just hoping that all the steps taken by the state and the central government is at its best.
Right, Akshaya. Thank you for getting us the ground report. Dr. Harshvardhan, the Union Health Minister, they're very important for the centre and state governments to work in tandem at this time to ensure that there's a smooth vaccination drive.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.